Hey guys, what is going on? So I mentioned in the video 12 out of 30 that I started the 200K FTMO account. I have now been able to link it to my FX book. So you'll be able to track that 200K assessment with FTMO on my FX book. So I'm going to put the link in the description as well if you want to check it out and keep in track. So one thing I did find out about it is I think it just updates it randomly. I'm not exactly too sure how that works, but you'll be able to see everything. So in terms of the open orders, the history, the stop loss, um, and everything, it should be in here because I've basically set it now so that you should be able to see it. And yeah, essentially I'm going to be tracking that whole process from basically from this point all the way to the 20K profit target. And then if I don't get there, obviously you'll definitely be able to learn a huge amount because I will as well. But more so doing this very sustainably. And yeah, so just wanted to quickly post that video out so that you guys have the access to that. I'll also put it in my Instagram description in case you wanted to just check it out at any point, see how it's doing, see how someone else is progressing as well, because I think that's also very interesting to not only see your own growth, but to also see other people's as well. And yeah, overall, I hope you guys enjoy this whole period as much as I do. So I will catch you guys in the next video. This link will be posted in the description below. And if you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Take care, have a great week, and I'll catch you in the next one.